Hello everybody, welcome to our presentation video. Today we will talk about the differentiation topic, and before we start, let me introduce our group members. First is me, BOON. My registration number is 01DTK21F1015. Then is Wong Jing Hong, registration number 01DTK21F1033. Last is Saver MELSON, son of Johnson, registration number 01DTK21F1002. And this is the table, roles, and responsibilities of our group. Okay, let me start our presentation today. First, we need to know what is differentiation. Differentiation is a formula that used widely in solving many mathematical problems, especially in engineering, medical, agriculture, and many other fields. Differentiation is mean rate of change of a quantity with respect to another quantity, and it is also known as derivative of a function. As we know, we can use differentiation in our real life too. For example, in economics, differentiation can be used to calculate the rate of change of the ordering and transportation costs for the components used to manufacture a product, in which the cost depends on the order size. For example, the transportation and order costs of the component used to manufacture a product can be calculated by using the function that we see in the slide, where C is the order and transportation cost and X is the order size. The derivative of the function above can be used to calculate the rate of change of the order and transportation costs as the order size increase. By doing so, the company or the corporation can predict the order size in which the cost will start decreasing or increasing.
Terima kasih kepada Lee Mikbon. Sekarang saya akan explain the answers for the application of differentiation question which my team got, which is the graph of a curve with the equation y equals to bracket 9 over x square bracket 12 over 12 x power of 5 plus 6 x power of 4 plus x square bracket. Untuk mula-mula saya sebelum kita guna formula differentiate, saya kena times dulu kedua-dua bracket tersebut. Kedua-dua equation dalam bracket tersebut. So untuk darabkan, saya kena bawa 9 over x square tu, x square tu saya bawa ke atas. So dia akan jadi x power of negative 2. Sebab dia ada dalam fraction, so saya membawa x square tu ke atas, dia menjadi negative x power of negative 2. So selepas tu saya akan darabkan straight dengan 9x power of negative 2 tu, saya akan darab straight dengan 12x power of 5 plus x power of 4 plus x square. So saya akan mendapat y equals to 108x power 3 plus 54x square plus 9. So untuk proses times dalam kedua-dua equation dalam kedua-dua bracket tersebut, yang number tu saya straight darab je. Untuk x tu saya tekan darab. So macam 9x power of negative 2 tu, x power negative 2 tu saya akan plus dengan x power 5. Ya. Kita tahu yang x power something times dengan x power something tu, kita kena pluskan power. Oh, kita tahu. So selepas tu, so x power negative 2 tu saya tambah dengan 5, saya mendapat x power 3. So saya mendapat y equation tu, saya mendapat 108x power 3 plus 54x square plus 9. Selepas tu je saya akan differentiate differentiate jawapan yang saya darabkan, iaitu 108x power 3 plus 54x square plus 9. Saya akan differentiate equation tersebut. So saya mendapat saya akan differentiate x dalam equation tersebut. So saya mendapat jawapan dy over dx equals to atau kita boleh cakap y prime equals to 324x square plus 108x. Itu adalah untuk question A. Untuk question kedua, iaitu find the coordinates of any stationary points on the curve. So untuk itu saya akan guna the formula of quadratic equation. So ini adalah salah satu cara untuk find the x values, kedua-dua x values, iaitu yang ditunjuk dalam slide ni. Saya akan nyatakan yang kaedah kedua yang lebih simple daripada ini. So untuk yang kaedah kedua, kita kena gunakan calculator lah yang kena guna EQN tu dalam calculator tersebut. So kamu type yang value yang kita dapat untuk dy over dx itu, yang answer tersebut, kita akan guna EQN dalam kita akan guna formula quadratic equation untuk cari jawapan kedua-dua x tersebut. So untuk x, apabila saya guna calculator untuk dapatkan jawapan, saya mendapatkan x iaitu kosong, x equals to negative 103. So kita sudah mendapat kedua-dua x, nilai x tersebut. Seterusnya saya kena substitute x dengan nilai yang saya dapat. So dalam equation y equals to yang kita mula-mula darab dulu. So kita kena substitute x, kedua-dua x tersebut untuk mencari nilai y, untuk mencari kedua-dua stationary points tersebut. Untuk selepas saya substitute x 0 dalam equation y equals to 108x power 3 plus 54x square plus 9, saya mendapat jawapan y equals to 9. So selepas tu saya substitute x equals to negative 103 dalam equation yang sama untuk x power, equation yang sama yang saya substitute dalam x power x equals to 0 tu. So dalam equation tersebut saya mendapat y equals to 11. So saya mendapat dua stationary point, iaitu 0, 9 dengan negative 103, 11. So dalam soalan C pula, saya kena cari how many stationary points does the graph have. So kita sudah tahu dalam question B, kita ada dua stationary point actually, iaitu 0, 9 dan juga negative 103, 11. Selepas ni, soalan-soalan yang seterusnya, Wang Jiwa akan explain. Sekian itu saja daripada saya.
Okay, thanks for the talk of Xavier. Now I will continue to the D, E, and F. Now we do the D first. The question is determine y-intercept point. Okay, if we need to find the y-intercept point, we need to assume x equal to 0 in the equation. So y equal to 100, 0, and 8 times 0 and then power of 3 and then plus 54 power of 2 times 0 and plus 9. So we will get the answer y equal to 9. So the coordinate or the y-intercept point will know as 0, 9. Now we continue to E. Determine the nature of any stationary point that we found in part C. So at first, when we need to do the question, we need to do the second degree differentiation. So we take the equation y equal to 100, 0, and 8 x power of 3 plus 54 x power of 2 and plus 9. We do the first degree differentiation first, so we get 324x power of 2 plus 108x. And then we do the second degree differentiation, we will get the 648x plus 108. After we do the second degree differentiation, we need to justify the answer, that minimum point or maximum point. So at first, we take the answer in stationary point, coordinate 0, 9 and -1 per 3, 11. We take the first one, 0, 9. Okay, we know that the x will be 0. So when x is equal to 0, we put inside to the second degree differentiation. So we get the answer 648 times 0 plus 108 and then equal to 108. So 108 is bigger than 0. So this means that 0 coordinate 0, 9 will be the minimum point. And then next, we use the another coordinate, -1 per 3, 11. So the x will be -1 per 3. We put inside to the second degree differentiation will become 648 times -1 per 3 and then plus 108. So we get the answer -108. And then -108 is smaller than 0. So if smaller than 0, we can get maximum point. So we know that the -1 per 3, 11 coordinate is maximum point. At last, let's us to find the graph, how to draw the graph. At first, we know that we have two stationary point, -1 per 3, 11 coordinate and coordinate 0, 9. So we know that we have one maximum point and one minimum point. We draw the maximum point in -1 per 3 coordinate 11, and then we draw the coordinate 0, 9 with the minimum point. So we can see that the y-intercept is in 9. So the graph in minimum point will be like this. And then the maximum point of -1 per 3, 11 coordinate will be like this. And then the equation that is y equal to 108 x power of 3 plus 54 x power of 2 plus 9, the graph. And then the x, it will be touched like 0.68. So how do we get the 0.68? We can type in the calculator in mode. We press mode until we see the EQN, and then we change to degree, and then we press 3, and then we insert the equation y into the calculator, so we can get the 0.68. So the graph will be like this.
Okay, thanks for my friends sharing, and we can make a summary that we have used differentiation to determine stationary point of function, and we found out minimum point and maximum point. Then we use the second derivative test to determine the nature of the stationary point and the second degree differentiation. That's all for our presentation video today. Thanks for watching and hope you have a nice day. Thanks.